Chef Carl Food Whisperer, YouTube, and today we're making authentic chicken pot pie. About 15 minutes of labor to put it together, only 5 ingredients. So let's get started.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, now this is a rotisserie chicken that I got at Sam's Club. So you take the skin off the thigh, if your fingers are working. And then you drop the chicken breast. Just follow the breastbone. Kind of peels off. And I save the carcass and the skin and I make soup out of it. So that came off real nice. And any way you want to get the meat off the thigh. So now what you want to do is just dice up the meat. Or you could shred it however you want. Somebody said, I don't like diced chicken, I like to have it shredded. So shred it. It's up to you. It's your pie. I cut the chicken breast in some slices. Pop, pop, pop. Okay. That took about 4 minutes. This is the fun part. Put the chicken breast in a bowl with the thigh. This, like I said, this is so easy. I thought out some IQF mixed vegetables, and if you want, you can heat them up. So 1.5 cups. That's 2 ingredients. One can of Cambells cream of chicken soup. That's 3 ingredients. A half a can of milk or cream. This is 4 ingredients. And the pie shell and the topper makes 5. No, easy peasy. Papa Daisy. You got it as clean as you can. So now, all we do is we mix this up. The chicken, cream of chicken soup, the diced chicken, the veggies, the milk. Just make sure it's all nicely incorporated. Now put our pie shell here. Flatten it out so it doesn't leak all over the... But wait, there's more. 4/5 are done. So I'm taking a Pilsbury pre-made pie crust. I call it a pie topper. Like I said, if I can make this, anybody's going to make this. And sometimes the dough sticks a little bit, so roll it out real slow. Don't worry if you got a little hole in it or so. So, we put it on top of the pie, and then we start trimming. You don't want excess crust, and we're going to use this crust to make a decoration if you want. So I crimp the dough, just like that. Makes it look like it was bought at a store or homemade. So we got this so far. Now, I'm going to take the dough scraps, just put some lines in them, and you make a leaf. So put a leaf here, here a leaf, there a leaf, everywhere a leaf. And because in nature leaves aren't perfect, you don't have to worry about being perfect. Now some people will egg wash the pie. That's just an egg yolk with a little bit of water or milk. But I like it just like this. And if you want, you can take the dough and make a little flour. Just twist it so it comes to a point. And then just put like a leaf and bend it back. A leaf, bend it back. A leaf, bend it back. Just pop it right on there. You got a rose. But you don't have to do that, but play with it. It's fun. Remember when your parents said, don't play with your food? Well, now you can. You should be able to enjoy doing this, folks. Maybe one more. I think my pie is saying, leave me alone. Oh, that's a bad joke. You just put it on like this. And you can make more flowers if you want, but I just want to make 2. And that's our finished product before we put it in the oven. Now, I do poke a few slits in it to let it breathe, otherwise the pie's going to blow up. So now, we're going to take the chicken pot pie and put it in the oven for about 55 minutes at about 395, 400 degrees for near an hour. And you want to hit an internal temperature of 145 and let it sit about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's get this. Yeah. I put it on the middle shelf. And that's it. Okay, welcome back. We're going to take the pot pie out of the oven in about a minute. I think just 49 seconds left. And we will let it rest for a couple seconds, plate it up, and it's going to be delicious. Bingo! Okay, so now we're going to take this pie out of the oven. Oh. Look at this. Look at this. Is this gorgeous or what? Now, just as a precaution, I always put a tray underneath so it doesn't leak all over the oven. Got the roses brown, the crust was nice and brown, it's steamy hot, and it smells really good. Now, as I said, we're going to wait about a minute or two to serve it up, just kind of let it set up. But remember, I'm Chef Carl, the Food Whisperer, or Chef Carl Food Whisperer, YouTube. I appreciate it if you subscribe. And going to thank all the people in the service, military, and thank all the people who are out there working through this pandemic. It looks like we're getting a handle on it. And just enjoy every day. So, Warren, are we ready to eat?
Oh, we're ready.
Okay. Oh, nice. We're now going to sit down and enjoy this. And if anybody wants to sponsor me, I'll appreciate it. Cambells soup out there. Pilsbury. All right. I'll see you next time for a brand new show, folks. I love you. Bye.